I am a genius. I've solved the world's hardest problem. Check this out. So I'm building a Lowrider V4 CNC, as you can see behind me. It's not done. But today I have a project for my laser. So here's my laser table. The laser table is not flat. And so I'm working on it. And then it occurred to me to move the laser from the laser table to the CNC table, as you can see here. And it occurred to me, this is flat. And so I started looking, like, how often do I really need an 8-foot bed on my CNC? I don't even know. The only reason I did it was because I thought it'd be cool to make like a giant penis out of plywood. I don't know why I need 8 feet, but I like having that capacity of 8 feet. That's good. So what I'm thinking then, I'm going to keep the laser on the CNC, as you can see right now, more or less. When I actually need, in those very rare times, to cut a full 8-foot sheet of plywood, I can just move the laser. It's light. One person can move it. Ta-da. It's no work. But that still gives me 4 feet down there. So I could do 4 guitar bodies at once, for example. 4 feet by 4 feet of space on a CNC is considered a large CNC. I just did double that because I'm an idiot. So if you're doing a Lowrider V4 CNC, you may consider going big and combining your laser and your CNC into one.